Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I've been living in Brisbane for over 10 years now. I'm currently working as a business planning manager in Toyota Australia. One of my most recent achievements, big achievements, is where we're standing at this moment. The house I've been finished construction. It took me 3 years to finish the whole house. The two priority elements when I was building the house, the one is the Wi-Fi, because we all time to time work from home, so Wi-Fi needs to be stable and fast. And the second is the water quality. The reason of saying that is because both my kid and my wife has some skin issues. My wife tends to lose her hair a bit, so I had done a lot of research. I've reviewed both options from imported products and local products as well, but I ends up with my water filter company. Couple of the reasons of picking up this choice as my final decision is, first of all, they don't need any of a plumber approval for those imported products. There's guaranteed warranty and the guaranteed after-sale service to those products as well. Secondly, they provided the biggest capacity of those cylinders. I don't need to worry about to replace those cylinders every 6 months or even less. I can have a fuss-free 12 months before I worry about next replacement. The third reason is the price is very competitive. I've been reviewed a couple of other peers in the market. They do have supplied very similar products, but their price is not that affordable compared to my water filter company. After having been installed those water filtration system, my wife been told me a couple times that her hair losing situation is a lot better off now. And we had a pool. To having kids to swim in the pool without considering too much of the potential skin issues, to have the water without much of the metal elements, with more soft quality of the water, will help the situation a lot. So in general, our family is very happy about what we've done, especially in the water filtration choice as our whole house water filtration solutions. We're all happy about it, and we can drink our fresh water every day.